They sure know how to make these Jeeps back in the 40s, 50s, and early 60s, but they can't make one as good as this anymore. Why? Why, Chrysler? Why?
We found the neighbor bull, but not any of Damon's cows.
At least not yet.
Yep, not yet.
But something's been sleeping here.
So that's the shop up there. And that patch we saw down there, that's more than that neighbor bull, right? There's
Oh yeah, there's a lot of them. They're probably shaded up here somewhere, but there's a lot of shade up here, and we might be able to get close to them. We stay out of the swamp. Funny, you got swamp on this side and desert on that side.
Yep.
Yeah, they've been grazing quite a bit down in here. Game department needs to come up and spray this stuff.
Instead of burning sage, we're plowing sage.
All depends on if some of it gets hung on the muffler. We might burn a little too.
Some might worry about these big rocks.
I would in a 99 Jeep, but not in a 59 Jeep.
Yowza.
Must be out in the swamp. We're down here about as far as we can go.
Yep.
I'd like to get some of those Florida crackers. Come up here get these cows out of a slope.
Florida crackers.
Yeah. Biggest cattle ranch in the United States is in Florida.
Oh.
They call them crackers because they carry whips.
Mm.
Don't you ever watch TV? I watch the History Channel quite a bit.
Yep.
And Discovery Channel. This is devastation by an elk.
Oh yeah? Rubbing on it?
Yep. Just tearing the velvet off of his horns. And you can see others that are all ripped up.
Mm-hmm.
That's from an elk.
Wouldn't there be velvet hanging on him then?
No, no. All the velvet would be on the ground. You'd have to look really hard to find it. Deer don't make that kind of devastation. I need to come over here and drop off a salt block.
Yeah, until we can
That'll
get
get
him
'em
out
coming.
of here. Yeah.
Oh, now I get to go back over that big ass rock that I drove over before.
Holy moly.
Oh, that was straight bottom.
I got my oh Jesus bar.
Oh shit handle. Oh shit. Yeah, don't reach onto the side of the cab if it starts to go over. That's the wrong thing to do. Gotta get a shot of those basalt rocks.
Yeah.
Old basalt. After a while it breaks off in sheets.
Oh, that's cool. What house do you see over there? Kind of behind that end. See right up there? You should be able to see it.
I don't know what house that is. Might be Pettit's or Posts.
Okay.
And cows could be clear over there on that.
They can walk through that stuff?
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay.
They would be over there by those power poles over there. It's off of Road 7, I think. Or no, that would be off of Road 8. So that would be Pettit's. I think.
Yep.
Don't hold me.
I just didn't know there was a house that close down through here.
Oh yeah. They built that house many, many moons ago. is the pace and steady is the way. See if we can make it up through here without hitting a rock big enough to stop us. Get straight ahead is our way out.
It's
That's a big rock. Yeah, that was a big rock. Looks like I might have moved it a little bit, maybe half an inch.